Okay, we're going to show you how to switch from a 110 to 220. It's a rare situation, but it can happen. To find our drawings, all of our drawings can be found on Denray.com under the resource tab, then under document library, then under electrical. In there you can download and print off your drawing. All we are working with is just the transformer. Here is a transformer with it out, the way you can see these, how to set the jumpers on this. Okay, for starters, first thing we're going to do, we're going to remove this wire here. Per the drawing, we're going to move it down here to the second screw underneath this fuse. Helps if you have a pair of needle nose or forceps to do this with. Okay, then we're going to move these top wires. We're going to move this one off. This one here, all the wires should be always in the box. When we build these, we leave the wiring in it to where if it has to be changed, it can be. Now this wire was an H2 here. Then put the fuse back in. Now we're going to reinstall the fuse. Now again, the little red line represents the jumpers, and you just follow the wire diagram where they all go to. And that will switch you back over to 220 single phase.